Hey, good afternoon. Coming to you from the sunny west side of the Big Island out here in Waikoloa. I'm at the Spencer's Beach Park today. It's a beautiful day, man. Hardly anybody on the beach. The waves, no waves. The water is super calm. The wind is just a slight breeze. It's just one of them days. You just want to just kick back and relax. So being that it's Waikoloa, it's freaking hot out here. I'm under the shade. Keep my ass out of the sun. But it's a beautiful day. Cannot ask for much more than this. It's just beautiful. I'm out here with my family, just kicking it at the beach today. Who knows? I may eventually make my way to the water, but right now I'm just hanging out in the shade. Hope you're all having a good day. Aloha.